Good morning, students. Today I am going to continue the chapter Natural Resources, Land, Soil and Water. In previous video I explained you about soil. Soil is the upper layer of the earth's crust that develops by weathering and erosion. Soil is made up of minerals, organic matter and weathered rocks. Then I explained you about soil profile. The soil profile is referred to as the layers of soil. The formation of soil gives rise to soil layer in the soil profile. The horizontal layer of the soil profile is called soil horizons. These layers are divided into 5 types: horizon O, horizon A, horizon B, horizon C and bedrock R. Then what is horizon O? This layer called the organic layer. What is horizon A? It is referred to as the upper layer of soil which is near to the surface. What is horizon B? This layer below horizon A is horizon B. This layer is made up of iron, clay and organic matter which accumulate through a process called elevation. What is horizon C? Horizon C layer is found below horizon B and comprises the parent rock. What is bedrock R? It is the bottom layer which is several feet below the surface. It is made up of a large solid mass of rocks. Now today I will explain you about soil formation. How soils are formed. Soil formation is a long and slow process and it can take 1,000 of years for an inches of soil to form. In the soil formation, several factors work like climate, parent rock material, relief, topography and time span. Climate, the temperature, the rainfall, both directly and indirectly influence soil formation. It influences the rate of weathering of rocks and humus formation. Parent rock material. These are the underlying rocks that contain the materials of the soil. They influence the color, texture, chemical property of the soil. What is relief? The elevation and the nature of slope influence on the drainage and weathering of water. Some areas are covered with a thick layer of soil and others are with thin layer of soil. So at some places it is with thick soil and at some places it is very thin soil. Topography determines and influences the accumulation of the soil. Time span, that is time period. The time influences the thickness of soil. In the humid region, soil develops more quickly than in dry regions. Now, wherever the humid region is there, soil develops more fast in comparison to dry areas. Now, degradation of soil. Degradation of soil means decline of soil. How we are using this soil, in which manner that day by day its fertility is destroyed. Soil is essential for agriculture and plant growth. On soil, we do the work of agriculture as well as we grow the plants also. But soil erosions and depletion are the major threats to the soil resources. Now, soil erosion means washing of the topsoil, that is known as the soil erosion. These are the two things, that is soil erosion and depletion of the soil resources. Both natural and human factors are responsible for degradation of soil. Now, soil erosion, sometimes it is natural also, and sometimes human factors are also responsible for this. Now, some of the major factors of soil degradation are deforestation. Deforestation, day by day we are cutting the trees. So deforestation is going on. Overgrazing, we are sending the animal on that place where grasses are there, and these animals destroy that land. Overuse of land for agriculture. Now we are using HYP seeds, that's why we are doing lots of agriculture on the land, and it decreases the soil fertility. Rain is also responsible. When too much heavy rain is there, so topsoil or the fertile soil or humus soil is washed away with the rain. Flood, this is also a reason for soil degradation. When flood comes, then topsoil washed away, that is the humus soil also, and it is good for the agriculture. Landslide, when too much heavy pressure is on that place with the help of rain or flood, then landslides also takes place. Now, conservation of soils. Now, how we can conserve the soil, how we can prevent the soil by soil erosion, or what we can do that our soils will be fertile. Now, you have to write question and answers in your fair copy. From which material soil is made up of? What do you know by elevation? Discuss any 4 methods of soil conservation. Define accumulation.